Hey again! I'm back with another wig review, and this time it's going to be on the Sofia wig. Here it is by It's a Wig. So let's get right on in there, but before we start, don't forget to do the necessary and hit the subscribe button. This is the wig. It's a beautiful yaki texture. It's so soft, very, very soft. Your hands almost glide through it. And yet at the same time it's a yaki texture, so it's brilliant. I really like that. It's a lace front, but it is hard lace, so it's a little bit rougher for those who perhaps have sensitive skin. They just should be aware of that. But it is a lace front, lace neck part, and it has 3 combs, 1, 2 and a third one in the back, and then as always a drawstring. Let's just test for shedding. As always, you know I'm really pulling hard because I want to try and understand whether there are any loose strands that possibly could molt on you. I did manage to pull a fair few strands out, so it's a bit average on the shedding. I don't think it will shed unless you pull really hard, but even so, it does shed. I just want to try it on before I cut the lace. Even with the lace, I can tell it's a good size cap, and I would say that the picture is really accurate. This is exactly what it looks like when you wear it. It's an asymmetrical cut, but it's not one of those deep symmetrical cuts, asymmetrical cuts with a big bump here. It's nice and flat against my head. I like that. The texture is divine. Really is nice. Let me cut the lace. Let me do a 360. What do you reckon? One of the reasons why I like this wig is because it's lightweight. The texture is fine. Did I say that? Did I say that the texture was nice? I did. It's really nice. And the cut, it's done elegantly. So if you're into asymmetrics, or perhaps if you're not into asymmetrics but you wanted something that was elegant, this is really nice. It's a really nice cut. Definitely need some powder in that part, I think. The colour I have is this beautiful rich M24. So they haven't gone with a box out of 2 or a 4. They've got this blend, and it gives the tone a dynamic that it wouldn't otherwise have. So do I like it? Yes, I do. I think it would be a great summer wig. Oh, responds well to zhuzhing. No, now I look like I just woke up from bed. Enough of that. Hopefully you get a good idea of what this wig is like. I like it. I'll definitely be wearing it this summer. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.